Hey, welcome back to Me Being Cheap. I'm going to tell you about the roof repair. So for those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, know that I have had issues with the shop roof for quite some time. And in fact, there were some videos in 2017 in the summer that dealt with the roof issue. Long story short, I was not able to get any contractor or repair people, so my boyfriend and I tackled the roofs ourselves. Total cost was $204.03, and so $121.95 of this was the roll roofing self-sealing underlayment, $50.90 for the decking, and the remainder of that was nails and tar. So again, $204.03 for the shop roof repair. And yes, we did reuse the shingles, so stay tuned and you can see a very quick overview of the roof repair. Thanks. Getting ready to repair the roof. My patch has held out some, but as you can see, it's pretty rotten. Most of the tar has flaked back up. So trying to carefully remove these using a pry bar. We're going to salvage these shingles as best as we can, so trying not to destroy them. I do have an extra bundle of shingles that were left over from this, but I think this is probably going to be the most time consuming. It's just using this to pry up on the shingles and get the nails out. You want to be in my YouTube video?
YouTube? It don't matter.
Smile, you're on Cindy's camera.
Howdy.
And this is what a rotten roof looks like. Peel back all the shingles. Hopefully reuse these, those which that are usable. Peel back the tar paper. We're going to have to replace 3 boards. And that box of stuff down there, that white box, that is a waterproof membrane that we're going to go down with. Smile, you're on Cindy's camera.
Cindy Vision.
Oh, careful.
About did what I said you might do.
That's okay. I think if you fell through, you'd be standing on top of the freezer.
Doesn't make me feel any better though. Cindy's product review?
Yes. Cindy's product review. The name of the product is Gaff Weather Watch 1.5 squares from Lowe's.
Leave me alone. Did you get that bad one?
I did, and it's on camera too. All right. So we actually ran out of the roll roofing. That's the self-adhesive membrane. That's supposed to be really good for roofs that have a very shallow pitch. So I am headed over to the neighboring town to go pick up another roll. That's one disadvantage about living in a rural area. We do have a grocery store that has some hardware and some lumber, but they don't have roofing supplies. So I have to go over here and pick up an extra roll. So a slight delay in getting that done. I did, however, help pop a couple chalk lines before I left, and so I'm going to start laying shingles while I'm gone. And again, we're reusing the shingles. They actually weren't in that bad of shape, and I do have some leftover shingles from when the house was built, or when the shed was built. So digging those out of the shop for the ones that tore and are not usable. But by and large, we're using recycled shingles, which that actually helps with the cleanup, because that's part of the thing is when you re-roof, you're left with all that trash, all the used shingles and so forth. And this way you're not, I don't have to load up a trailer and head to the landfill. Also keeping things out of the landfill. So, all right, it's about 9 miles to the next town, a little bit further once you drive into town to get to the lumber company. I did call. They do have this product. It is actually a different brand. The one that I was using before was made by GAF or GAF, and this is a different product, but they both cost about the same. This one's $51 a roll. I think the other one that I had purchased from Lowe's ended up being about $54, so they're about the same in price. The roof is a little bit more expensive than what we had estimated, but still not bad. Alright, I'll check back in with you in a few. Film the final layout. Look at that. Look how nice that is.
And there's a piece under that seam to catch rain there too.
Should be watertight. And here's the finished product.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh!
Bob? Here's the finished product.
Oh.